Here we have this 5 megapixel bird feeder. You download the app on Android or Apple to watch the camera. So let's go ahead and install this in my backyard. So here's the bird feeder. It's pretty much all-in-one. It comes with so many things. It comes with the jelly box, the soup feeder, the honey feeder, fruit holders, and it's just really nice and convenient. This is the roof right here, which just clicks on right there. Those little circles go right here. This is the soup feeder, and the cool thing about this, it has a little screw on the bottom, and so does the honey feeder, and they screw directly into the stand. So if you see those little gold circles, that's where you screw them in. Same thing with the fruit holder. It has little screws on the bottom. This jelly box, this thing, all you do, it slides right in, so you could put it on the edge or one back, but it sits right inside. You got the mount right here for this, and there's a strap if you want to strap it around through here, or if you want to screw it in. A little solar panel, the mount for the solar panel. It's a C charger, which you plug in directly into the back. The camera, you could tilt it. You tilt it all the way down in order to turn it on, to put the SD card, or you could charge it the top also. So here's all this stuff. The extra charging cable if you want to charge it from the top. It has a charging cable in the back for the solar panel. Tools, screws, everything you need. So let's set this up. Choose your device. After you turn it on, hold the power button for 3 seconds and makes a noise. And let's add it. So there's the camera. It detects motion. It's right there. So looks pretty cool. Whenever a bird lands, it'll turn back on and record it. So that's pretty nice. That's where I had my old bird feeder made out of wood, and it's done. It fell apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw in the base and screw in the little holder for the little solar panel. So let's go ahead and do that. There's my setup. The solar panel's right there. I put the 2 screws in the back, and then the little twist nut that comes with it to tighten it. And this thing, you can move it in different directions. So it could be facing here, it could be facing pretty much 180 to 180 on the other side, but I just put it straight. So let's add the food. I added fruit and the nectar. The nectar is just sugar and water, 4-to-1. So 1 part sugar, 4 parts water. And they say it's not good to add the dye, so I didn't add the dye. So here's the app, and you can see at the top, this is the SD card. And this is just the storage that it has on there. But the regular storage without the SD card only takes pictures. So you can click on the pictures and it shows you. So look at that. I put it up yesterday and I got a lot of birds already. So the SD card, you switch it, you confirm your bird feeder, you click it and confirm it. And right here you could see the events are pictures and the videos, 236 videos. So you could go down the videos and you could download them, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the SD card and download them that way also. So I remember when taking out the SD card, bend it all the way down, and I'm gonna use this little tool to pop it out right here. So you just push it. All right, now let's take the SD card and look at the videos.